Hello everyone, myself Vinay Kumaram. I'm pursuing PhD in physics. So in this particular YouTube channel, I'll be teaching physics, chemistry and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard. So if you want to learn physics, chemistry and mathematics, then please do subscribe to my channel. So in my previous videos, I was actually explaining the identities in the second chapter of 9th standard mathematics, that was on polynomials. And also I have explained 5 questions in exercise 2.4. Now we will look into the 6th question in this particular video in exercise 2.4. So we were solving exercise 2.4 questions. So in this exercise 2.4, we will look into the 6th question. So in 6th question, you have to expand the cubic form which they have given here. So here the first question in 6th question is 2x plus 1 whole cube. So you can use x plus y whole cube formula. So x plus y whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So this is the identity which we have to use in order to expand this particular question. So now in the place of x you have 2x and in the place of y you have 1. So that means you can just use this identity and try to expand this cubic form. So 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x into 1. In the bracket you can write 2x plus 1. Now 2x whole cube is 2 cube is 8 and x cube. So 8x cube plus 1 plus 3 2s are 6 into 1 6 into x 6x into 2x plus 1. Now 6x you have to multiply with 2x and also with 1. So 8x cube plus 1 plus 6 2s are 12, x into x is x square, so 12x square plus 6x into 1 is 6x. So 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So this you can write as, I'll just write one more time, 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. This is the expansion of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now we will look into the second question in this particular 6th question. In second question you have 2a minus 3b whole cube. So here you can use x minus y whole cube formula. X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy. In the bracket you have x minus y. So you can use this identity and straight away expand this cubic form. So 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 2a into 2b. In the bracket, this is 3b. So in the bracket you have 2a minus 3b. So in the form of identity I have expanded this. So 2a whole cube is 8a cube minus 3 cube is 27. So minus 27b cube. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, or 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 into ab. So minus 18ab. In the bracket you have 2a minus 3b. Now you can just multiply this minus 18ab to 2a and minus 3b. So now you will get 8a cube minus 27b cube. Minus 18 into plus 2 will be minus 36. AB into A is there, so A square B you will get. Minus 18 into minus 3 is there, so minus into minus plus 18 into 3 will be 36, 54. So 54. AB into B will be AB square. So 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square is the expansion of 2a minus 3b whole cube. Try to solve the third question. So here you have 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Here also you can use x plus y whole cube identity. So 3 by 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3xy will be there. So 3 into, in the place of x you have 3 by 2x into, in the place of y you have 1. So 1. In the bracket you have to write 3 by 2x plus 1. So I am just expanding this in the form of x plus y whole cube identity. So now 3 by 2x whole cube is there. So 3 by 2x whole cube means it is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 divided by 8, because 2 cube is 8 into x cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 3 by 2. So that is nothing but 3 3 is 9, 9 by 2 x. 9 by 2x, in the bracket you have 3 by 2x plus 1. So now this 9 by 2x you can multiply with 3 by 2x, and also you can multiply this with 1. So the final answer what you will be getting is 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus, here you can see 9 by 2 x into 3 by 2 x is there. So 9 3 is 27, 2 2 is 4, x into x will be x square. So 27 by 4 x square. So 27 by 4 x square, and 9 by 2 x into 1 will be 9 by 2 x. So plus 9 by 2 x. So this is the expansion, or you can modify this. So 27 by 8 x cube plus 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2 x plus 1. So this is the expansion for third question and sixth question. In the sixth question, in fourth question, you have x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. So here also you can use x minus y whole cube identity and try to solve this particular question on your own. Now we will look into the seventh question in this exercise 2.4. So in seventh question, you have to evaluate the following values, the following numbers, cube of the following numbers. You should just use the algebraic identities to solve this. So the first question in seventh question is 99 cube. So how to write 99 cube? 99 cube can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. So here this is in the form of x minus y whole cube. So x minus y whole cube will be x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So similarly you can use this identity and try to solve this 100 minus 1 whole cube. So 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1, in the bracket you have 100 plus 1, 100 minus 1. So now you can solve this. 100 cube means it is nothing but 10 lakh, that is nothing but 1 followed by 6 zeros minus 1 minus 3 into 100 is 300 into 99. So 99 into 300 will be, so first I will write this 10 lakh minus 1 minus 300 into 99. So here 99 into 0, 99 into 0, 99 into 3. So 0, 0, 99 into 3, 297. So 297 followed by 2 zeros. So now you have this, you can calculate this. So you have 10 lakh minus 1 minus 29,700 is there. So 29,700. 29,700. To solve this, you will get 9,70,299. So this is the answer for 99 whole cube. So 9,70,299 is the answer for this 99 whole cube. Now we will look into the second question in this particular seventh question. So in second question you have 102 whole cube. So again this you can write as 100 plus 2 whole cube. So this is in the form of x plus y whole cube. So 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2 into 100 plus 2. Now you have 10 lakh plus 8 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 into 100 is 600 into 100 plus 2 is 102. So now if you solve this, you will get 10 lakh plus 8 plus 600 into 102. So 102 into 6 you have to do. So 100 into 6 will be 600. 2 into 6 is 12. So 612 followed by 2 zeros. So now when you solve this, you will get 10,61,208. So 10,61,208 is the answer for this second question in seventh question. Similarly, in the same seventh question, you have one more question, that is third question. This is nothing but 998 whole cube. So this again you can write as 1000 minus 1 whole cube, 1000 minus 2 whole cube, and you can use x minus y whole cube formula. So that means it will be 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1002. So if you solve this, you'll get the answer. So we'll look into the 8th question in exercise 2.4. So here you have to factorize the given polynomials using suitable identity. So the first question in this 8th question is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now you can write this in the form of a plus b whole cube. So here you can use a plus b whole cube identity. So in order to convert this into a plus b whole cube form, you have to do some minor corrections, minor modifications in this particular polynomial. So we can take this as 2a whole cube, and this b cube we can keep like that only. So now you can take 6ab common in these two terms. So if you take 6ab common, here what will be remaining? 2 will be remaining, a will be remaining. So 2a, in this if you take 6ab common, what will be remaining? B will be remaining. So this 6ab I can write as 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 into 2a into b into 2a plus b. So because 3 into 2a will be 6a into b will be 6ab. So 6ab I am writing as 3 into 2a into b. So now you can see it is in the form of x plus y whole cube. In the place of x you have 2a and in the place of y you have b. So this you can write as 2a plus b whole cube. So the answer what you are getting here is 2a plus b whole cube. So that means this is nothing but 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. So these three are the factors of this particular polynomial which they have given in the first question. So that is 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Now we will look into the third question in this particular 8th question. So in third question you have 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So now you can see here in the place of 27 you can write this as 3 cube minus in the place of 125a cube you can write this as 5a whole cube because 5 cube is 125. So here you can take 45 common among these two. So if you take 45 and a as common, so inside bracket, so I am taking minus 45a, so this will be, so inside bracket if you take minus 45a common, inside bracket you will have 3 because 45 into 3 will be 135, minus into plus will be minus, so minus 135 into a will be there. And if you take minus 45a from this, then this will become minus 5a because 45 into 5 will be 225, minus into minus will be plus, so plus 225, a into a will be a square. So like this I can write. Now you can clearly see it is in the form of x minus y whole cube. So here x is 3 and y is 5a. So this you can write as 3 minus 5a whole cube. So that means this is nothing but 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. So these three are the factors of this particular third polynomial in 8th question. So now we'll try to solve 5th question and 8th question. So in this 5th question you have 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Now this you can write as 3p whole cube minus 1 by 216 you can write as 1 by 6 whole cube because 6 cube is 216 and 1 cube is 1, so 1 by 216 will be remaining. So here take 3p outside from this 9 by 2 p square. So if you do that then you have to take minus 3 by 2 p outside, so that inside bracket you will have 3p, and if you are taking minus 3 by 2 from this, so from plus you are taking minus outside, so minus will be remaining inside bracket. So from 1 by 4 if you are taking 3 by 2, then 2 by 3 you have to multiply inside. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. So that means here 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3 by 2p. 3p minus 1 by 6 will be there inside bracket. You have 3 by 2p here. So 3 by 2p you can write as 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3 by 2, you can write it as 3 into 3p into 1 by 6, because here 3 ones are 3 twos are 6 will be remaining. So 3 twos are 6 means in the denominator 2 will be remaining. So 3 by 2p. So you will get this 3 by 2p back. So this 3 by 2p I am writing as 3 into 3p into 1 by 6. Inside bracket you have 3p minus 1 by 6. So now this is in the form of a minus x minus y whole cube. So in the place of x you have 3p. In the place of y you have 1 by 6. So 3p minus 6, 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube is the answer. This you can write as 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. So these are the factors of this particular fifth question in 8th question. So this is all there in this particular video. The remaining questions which are there in this particular exercise 2.4, I'll be solving that in my next video. Until then, if you want to learn more physics, chemistry and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with my channel.